Hello guys, welcome to my website and I'm glad to see you. Thank you for coming. And I'm gonna talk about my software as I promised you that I'm gonna show you about my software and how it looks like and how to make money with the software more than a million. So this was earned by me within a month. This was earned by me within a month. This was within a month I earned 3 million. Then I'm gonna show you. You're gonna believe me. Seriously, after you know how to make a app with these simple steps, and making a app is not a joke because people want so many things to do with the app. People are running after making their business means grow. So for that you need to make a app, and making a app is not a simple job. That's not a simple thing. Making an app is really hard, and I'm gonna show you how to make it with the easiest way with simple step with the help of my software. So let me jump into my software. So this is the software. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a website. How to make a website? You can make any website easily with simple steps. You can make a website simple steps, and I'm gonna show you how to make a website for free. There are so many other sites, so many tons and tons of sites. If you go and search in, you know, in YouTube and how to make a website, there are so many options to make a website. So many options. Making a website is very easy nowadays. Everyone has more than 5, 6, 10 website. You can make a website easily with simple steps. So I usually use Wix. So this is Wix, and I make website here. And see, this was free template. I just choose the free template. I made it for free. I'm not like I've not taken a subscription or something. Making a website here is very simple. You can search in YouTube. Within a half an hour you'll learn everything. So you're gonna go to switch to mobile. So this is the section you're gonna actually make your app, and you know, update this thing. You have so many options here. Button, buy button, and you can put your products, and also for buy button so that a person come and buy your products, and so many things are there. To put ads, a lot of ads you can put. And then finally you're gonna put it on publish. After you go on publish, and you're gonna get us like visit site. So this is the site it looks, and this is my site how it, and just take a look how it looks my site. Because and about this site how to redirect, and I redirected it, and how it became everything in the, after this video you'll get another video where I explained about this softwares, how to make, how I made a software and how it looks and everything. And down another one video is there in which I showed about this software, means this app, how I redirected it and everything. Now I'm gonna show you how to redirect it into a app, and then you get another video, you need to watch that also. And another, on the third video I showed you how to actually, how this app was, means I showed in my mobile how this app looks and everything. So this is a simple app. How to do it, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna put your title, anything you want to put. So I'm just giving www and anything I just felt like. So you're gonna, where you're gonna redirect, you have so many tons and tons of options. Everything I'm gonna show you after you buy my product. These are the things I'm gonna show you after you buy my product, because knowing it now is useless, but still I'm showing you how to, simple things I'm just showing you. So here you get, oh, I'm gonna just put it on test. Yeah, so you're gonna, where you're going to up, means redirected. You have your URL. Here is the thing you need to put the URL of the website. You can copy others website also. This is the cheating technique what I call it. So you can go to other softwares, you know, they have a good websites and all. Like what I usually do, I actually checked how to, you know, Medium. So I checked there and I got so many, you know, new ebooks and all everything. I just, what I did was I just copied it and I pasted it, and the whole website just got redirected, and I just put ads on it. A new ads from here, I put some ads, enable ads, and you need to put your registered email which you'll be getting after you buy my product. You'll get a registered email, and then license key you need to put here, and then you can enable any monetization things and all everything. And here you're gonna put the URL of the website. I just copied and I just pasted here. So this is the URL of my website. So what you're gonna do, you have so many here, you can change your icons here, so many others. I'm gonna explain everything about this. And then at the last you're just gonna click on generate APK. Okay, and this is gonna be generated on the place where I want to. wherever I want to. It will be it will take us literally it will take around a 1 minute, not even 1 minute. My website is too means small, so it will take. I don't think so. This will take too much time. Maybe for more. It's almost done. Yeah, done. So it got redirected here. Let me just show you. Test. Yeah. See, this is the thing. I just got redirected. This is showing a white sheet because I did not change the icon. So this is the reason why it is showing like white sheet. So here you go. So this is the website app created by my friend. This is the app. See, he got 5 million downloads. No, this is not my friends actually. You can make a gaming app just like my friend's app is this one. I'm gonna talk about this, but before that, you can make a gaming app just like you don't need to know anything about coding or blocks. I'm gonna show you everything for free, how to do it, how to put games, and with some simple redirecting, and that you can do it with this software own self itself. Sorry, itself. You can do it with this software. How to do it in the after you buy my product, then I'm gonna show you how to do it, because there are tons of more options here and you get so many options. Here you have so many options, so here only something is there that I'm gonna show you. So this one is something that I told you that this will be one thing. I'll show you a bonus thing which will be done after you buy my product. Before you buy my product, I can't just show you how to do this. So here this is my actual friend software who have created. See, he got around 1 million downloads. He just published it on April 7, 2020. April 7, 2020. And this is also his same. And what he did it was, this was a all-in-one shopping app. And all-in-one shopping app, what he did was, he just put affiliate links of each of the official site. You go to Amazon, you go to Flipkart, you get an affiliate link from there. For Flipkart, what you're gonna do is you need to go and ask them, like you need to contact them and you need to tell them, yeah, I want to become your affiliate. So they'll give you a link and they'll tell you how to do this thing and how what not to do and what to do. Everything will be given by them, and seriously they give you, but th- this is for only limited amount of people. But I don't know how my friend got it. He got it at, he just gave a, he went to contact list and he just gave a letter and they just told okay, and every day he actually he gives a product to them, and that this product I'll be doing and what this and that. So he just get a, you got a affiliate link, so he don't go for each product. If you go for by ask them that for this pencil I want a affiliate for, I want to be affiliate for this pencil, a particular pencil, and every day you need to on that reason they don't become your they won't give you you know link or affiliate link or something. But if you go to Amazon, sorry, Flipkart, if you contact them and they'll give you a link which will be directly redirected to their official website. So in that one they give a link and he get around 7%, 15%, sometimes 25%, affiliate. Whatever the purchase of a product is, he'll get 15%, 20%, 25%. So he got a lot of money. He got a lot of money from this soft app, actually from this app. And he made it easily. He just went to Wix, but dropping down things and all, everything I'm gonna show you. Everything I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna drop down everything to you. I'm gonna show everything to you, step by step, everything. See, everybody is giving a good report. He gave almost 5 out of 5. This guy also gave 5 out of 5 points, and he this also got 1 million downloads, and this was just updated in published in 29th. So exactly after 15 days, he updated this one. So this website looks awesome, this app, and I'm gonna show you about this app, how it looks like and everything. In the down you'll get another video. I explained about these two apps and how it looks like. Please watch them, because that will help you a lot and that will encourage you to go for it, because this is a brilliant opportunity. You can also work for a business, or small business, big business. You can work for them and tell them that I'll make a app for you, and everybody literally wants app, and you can give a good amount of discount. Like people charge around 15 $10,000, thousand, 15, 10,000. You can just tell them I'll give you $5,000. You need to give me $5,000. I'll make app for you. And what you're gonna do is say them, should I make a app just like your website, so that because your website looks awesome and I can just copy, means make that, just copy that, like mix some sort of like that, I can make it for you. So they obviously, most of them, for me, most of them just said that yeah, you can do it. And I just created app for them and they paid me. Now I'm not earning from that, but still you can earn a lot of money from that. A lot of money you can earn, because I'm in new project now, so I'm not earning, means earning from this little things, because you need to work for that also, then you have to work from the project also. So this is the reason I'm not working, but this can make you a lot of money. About the softwares and how it looks like, everything I'm gonna share in the next video. And how to make an app, I think so you'll like my video, because this can help you a lot. So thank you for visiting my website and knowing how to make money and all, because this can really change. Take action, because you need to take action. Change your mindset, because to make money you need to change your mindset. Look after yourself. Thank you. Goodbye.